Here we're asked to rewrite f of x into transformation form and then sketch it on a graph. So to start here, there's two ways to do this. I could just do division to get this into transformation form. I'm also going to use a different method that we have learned in class that in this case here, I'm really changing 2x minus 7 into 2 times x minus 1 over x minus 1 because I want to cancel these x minus 1s out to get the x out of the numerator. To do that, though, 2 times x minus 1 is really 2x minus 2. So I really have to have this minus 5 on the outside as well, because basically what I'm saying here is that 2x minus 7 is equal to everything here in the numerator. So from there, what I end up doing is I'm going to break it up into two different fractions here, cancel these out, which just gives me 2. So in transformation form, I get negative 5 over x minus 1 plus 2. I could also use division, though. I'm going to show that as well. If you prefer division, we're looking for how many times does x minus 1 go into 2x minus 7. So 2 goes on the top here, negative 2, and then I need to get to negative 7 here. So I'm going to subtract 5, which is my remainder. So I have my constant of 2, my remainder of 5, which again gets me back to this piece here. So here is my transformation form. Now let's go ahead and graph it. So from here, I have a vertical asymptote at positive 1. I have a horizontal asymptote at positive 2. Zoom in on this here. And then a value of negative 5. So what I'm going to do with that is from where the 2 points cross, I'm going to go down 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and over 1, over 5 and down 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here, up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and to the left, over 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and up. And so I have my sketch of my graph like this. It's not necessarily perfect. There may be a situation where I want for sure to have the intercepts. To do that, I can go ahead and plug those values, 0 values, into my original equation. So again, I started with 2x minus 7 over x minus 1. To find my y-intercept, I plug in 0 for x, which gives me just negative 7 over negative 1, which is 7, which I already have plotted right there. For my x-intercept, I plug in 0, 2x minus 7 over x minus 1. I multiply x minus 1 to both sides. I add 7 and divide by 2. So I should get 7 halves as my x-intercept. So that would be the same thing as 3 1/2. So 3 1/2 right here. So really my graph should have kind of curved like so and given me a shape kind of like that. So for my graph here, I have my intercepts, I have my asymptotes, and I have some other reference points as well.